Hello everybody and welcome. Today we're going to do an acceleration test here in the PoleStar 2. We're going to be some just north of 50%. Now I don't need any kind of whining or carrying on because obviously it's going to go maybe a little faster at 80 or 90%, maybe even 100%. But I will tell you that the spec should not drop off significantly here in the PoleStar 2 at 50%. We're going to run two high-speed runs, 0 to 60, and then we're going to run Nats with the sport mode on, and then we're going to run two runs with the sport mode off. So we'll get some kind of an idea what the PoleStar will do here. I'm running it at the normal place that I run all my acceleration tests. It's a level road out here in the country. Of course, I live in the country, but this is way out in the country. So there you go. Let's set it up and get it going. All right, Draggy is hooked up and working. I have the Draggy right here. And this is our run. We're going to go around, turn around. Right here is where we're going to launch from. 52%. 73 degrees. We'll stop, reset Draggy, and give it a go. Okay, here's our launch point. I'm stopping. We're at 0. Okay, reset Draggy. Okay, right, Draggy is reset, 52%, 72 degrees, and in sport mode. Here we go.
30, 60.
All right. We'll pull in up here and see if she's valid. Okay, let's take a look here. Is valid. All right, this is run number 2.
30.
51% on the battery, it's 75 degrees. Okay, this is the launch point. Gonna reset Draggy. There we go. 51%. Here we go. 74.
30. 60.
All right, there we go. That's run number 2 in sport mode. Okay, let's check this out. 0 to 60, 4.8, invalid. Why is it invalid? It's getting old. Okay, we're going to try one more time. All right. The second run was invalid. Not sure what it was. I'll have to check it out when I get home, but I'll run it again in sport mode here. Can be invalid for any number of things. Still at 51%. It's a bicyclist. I'm gonna have to wait till he clears the area. Right. All right, we're going to run it again. Oops. Oh, that's not good. I think I have a rock in the tire. Okay, sport mode. We're reset. We'll wait till our bicyclists get out of the way, and we're going to punch it 51%. Looks like traction control's off. I don't get it. All right, we're good. Okay, ready? Here goes. Sport mode, run 2.
60.
Okay. All right, let's take a look at draggy. Looks like 0 to 60 is valid. 4.9 seconds. Okay. All right, we're going to run 2 again here for non-sport mode. That'll be next here. All right, we're going to run this in non-sport mode. Okay, here's our launch point. Okay, reset draggy. She's reset. Okay, here goes. Ready? 50%. Make sure we are in non-sport mode. Okay, here goes.
30. 60.
Okay, there we go. Let's have a look. 0 to 60, valid, and looks good. Okay, this is non-sport mode. Okay, we're gonna go one more run in non-sport mode.
30.
It may be me, but there's not a whole lot of difference in time between sport mode and not. I'm guessing that it has to do more with traction control and those kinds of things and not acceleration. We're going to check.
Quarter mile.
All right. Okay, just verify non-sport mode.
30.
Still at 50% on the battery. Okay, a little traffic here. It's fine. We're going to go ahead and, come on. Really? There we go. Okay, reset. Make sure we're not rolling or anything. Looks like 0, 0. 50%. Sport mode is, or what you call it's off. Here we go.
30. 60.
All right. Okay, let's check it, make sure we're valid. 0 to 60 appears to be valid. And it's almost the exact same time, so we'll have a look at it here once I get to the house. I'm heading back to the house. Like I said, this place is way out in the country. I'm in the country, but this is way out in the country. Heading back, we'll analyze it when I get there.